Morning to you students. Uh, Now we'll study some more question of the exercise. Putting you here question number 15. Question 15. Find the equation of tangent line of y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 and perpendicular to 5y minus 15x equal to 13. So we have a two question in this question, and what is the meaning of question? Look at question says this is a curve. Suppose this is a y is equal to f of x. This is point of contact. This is a tangent. We want to find the equation of tangent line. We want to find the equation of tangent line. It means we have to find the equation of this line, and the tangent is also line, so we will use one point form to find the equation of tangent. It is passing from P. So initially we consider P is xy, and question says this tangent is, which is find the equation of tangent line which is parallel to this one, meaning this tangent line is parallel to this one. This is what line? 2x minus y minus plus 9 is equal to 0. So it's very simple. You can find the slope of this line, which is also equal to slope of the tangent, and that will help you to find xy. Because for finding the equation of line, we need a point by which it is passing and slope also. So slope one can be easily find out. How it is so? Look at, I tell you. I will write first here that it's given that since the tangent at P is parallel to parallel to 2x minus y plus 9, so slope of tangent and slope of the line are equal. Slopes are equal. The slope of tangent one can say m, and slope of this line, and I taught you the trick, whenever the line in general formula ax plus by plus c, slope can be easily find out by turning it in the form of y equal to mx plus c, or you can use the formula minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, meaning m equal to 2. This is the slope of this line. It is the section when we have got the slope of the tangent also. Now I will use the equation of the curve and I will find dy by dx, meaning I will find the slope. It is differentiation. At pxy it gonna be slope. At pxy the slope of tangent will be 2x minus 2, because when x and y, or I should write here, slope of tangent, instead of x is x, y is nothing there, no matter at all. So m equal to 2x minus 2 has come, and m equal to, already we have a 2, so 2x minus 2, I'll transfer 4 equal to 2x, so x equal to, we have got 2. Now I will put x equal to 2 in the curve by y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Put here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 plus 7 equal to 7. So P we have got 2 and 7. Now one can do easily that equation of tangent is, which was asked, equation of tangent is, one point form, tangent is itself a line. Tangent is itself a line, and whenever you have to find the equation of tangent, use this law, where x1 y1 by which it is passing, meaning 2 7, and m is the slope of tangent, which is 2. So further it is your top the job, you please put all the values and get your answer. So this is a simple thing which we discussed here. Now we are going to do the second one. So what is the second? Look at, I tell you. Question number second is, I'm rubbing it there, that also. We have to find the equation of the tangent which is perpendicular to this line, meaning that is the tangent which is perpendicular to this line, and this is line 5, 5, 15x equal to 13. This is scenario. The second question I'm doing. So what to do? It's very simple. First I'll find the slope of this one. With the help of slope, I'll find the slope of this one and do the same method. Look at, I tell you, since the slope of the curve, the slope of the tangent of the curve at P is perpendicular to the line. So one should understand that slope of this and slope of this have a multiplication -1. So m1 into m2 is equal to -1 because these two are perpendicular. So if I say, can I write m only? m1 and into m equal to, what is m1? Slope of this line. And what is the slope of this line? I taught you coefficient of x minus coefficient of x, coefficient of y. This is slope of this line, and slope of this line is m equal to -1. So minus and minus cancel. 5 3s are 15. So m we have got -1/3. This is the slope of the tangent, and again I'll use y, same method. I'll find dy by dx. Hope you all student getting. Very simple. Last time it was parallel, slope was same. This time it is perpendicular. Slope of this into slope of this equal to -1, by which I got slope of my tangent. And then 2x minus 2 at pxy, slope of tangent will be m is equal to 2x minus 2, where m is equal to -1/3 is equal to 2x minus 2. So -1/3 plus 2 is equal to 2x. So 5/3 is equal to 2x. When x is equal to, we got 5/6. And by equation, by y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Not doing now because it's very simple. Put x equal to 5/6 here. Get a value of y, and then x, y you already have obtained. Then this is the point we'll be having with you here. Slope is already m equal to -1/3. Use a 1 point form, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, and get your answer in the second case. So hope student you have got, put x equal to here, get y, it will be the point, and use 1 point form to find the equation of the required tangent in two conditions already have taught. So this is a question from my side. Now I'm putting a similar question, almost similar question from the exercise which I can see, question number 21. Look at first, I'm telling you 21. Few more I have yet to tell you. Find the equation of normal to the curve. Find the equation of normal of the curve x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is parallel to x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. This is almost the same question. Still, first we want to make the rough diagram solution. This is a curve. This is y equal to f of x. This is a point P x y as usual. This is a tangent. This is a tangent. And this is point of contact. Now find the equation of normal. Okay, this is the normal. This is normal. We want to find the equation of normal. I again tell you that normal is again a line. So we will use again the 1 point form. So that what you need here, you need two things. By the point by which the normal is passing, definitely is passing from P, and also the slope of the normal, which is written here that we have to find the equation of normal which is parallel to this one, meaning this normal is parallel to this one. Don't get confused, this is a rough structure, but this will give you an idea to make the question. So what to do, student? Find these two are parallel, so slope of this line is equal to slope of normal. When you will get a slope of normal, this will be one of the required thing, because you finally have to find the equation of normal. The slope is required, slope of these two lines are equal. Now I just want a point by which the normal is passing, which is pxy. So what to do? I'll find the normal gradient or slope. When I have a slope of the normal, this into the slope of normal into slope of tangent, this is a tangent. Slope of normal into slope of tangent will be having multiplication -1, and by which I can easily find the slope of the tangent. And then I'll again use a curve differentiation, and by doing all the comparison, I'll get my pxy. So I just want to write here that since the normal at P, look at normal at P is parallel to x plus 14y plus 4. Normal at P, which is parallel to this one. So slope of normal equal to slope of the line. So slope of the normal, can I say it is m1? I don't want to take m, because usually we take the slope of the tangent is m. So I say that slope of normal is m1, and slope of line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So we have got m1 equal to -1 by 14. Now simply that this normal and this tangent are perpendicular. Let m is, look at very simple, in a simple way, let m is the slope of the tangent. So students, one can easily understand that m into m1 equal to -1. The slope of the normal is m1 and slope of tangent is m, and these two are perpendicular. So by which m into m1 is -1 by 14 equal to -1, m equal to 14 we have got. This is also important for me in further work, but we have got m equal to 14, which is the slope of tangent, and then I'll take the equation and I'll find dy by dx. At pxy, as usual, slope of tangent will be at pxy, the slope of tangent will be, instead of x is x, y is y, definitely it will be m. And what is your m? The slope of tangent is 14. So this is gonna be 3x square equal to 12, x square equal to 4, x equal to plus minus 2. So we have a two option. It's gonna be two option there. First, if x equal to 2 will be chosen, y will be from here. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Put here 2 2s are 4 and 6. So overall answer is 18. So first you have got point of contact P, 2 and 18. Students, what to do now? You have got the P218 P218 and you want to find the equation of normal. So what you're going to use? By 1 point formula. By 1 point law, by 1 point form of the line, equation of normal will be y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So this normal is passing from these 2 points, this point, meaning it is x1, it is y1. You can use 1 point form. And what is the slope of normal? This is m1. So use the law y minus y1. Okay, let me do it here. Where should I write here? Let me rub this portion. So what I'm writing here, that equation of the normal will be y minus y1 equal to m1 x minus x1, y minus 18, m1 will be minus 1 by 14 and x minus 2 Please solve by your own and get your answer. And what about the second? Second option is when x is equal to -2 will be chosen, because we got a 2 option. I took x equal to 2 and x equal to -2 when will be chosen. Y will be -2 cube is -8, -2 2s are 4 plus 6. This is 16. And then after finding 16, the second point of contact will be, please change the name, because only I locate here P because it was rough structure, but you know that by accidentally we got a 2 point of contacts. Maybe that the curve have a fluctuate more time, so that it may possible. And then after we can say second point of contact Q, which is a -2 and -16. It was 2 and 18, it is -2 and -16. And again equation of normal, rub it all now. Again equation of normal is, second normal we have to go on, y minus y1 equal to x minus x1. This time y1 is a -16, m is the so-called same, and x plus 2. This time this point will be there by which normal was passing. So if you go on a picture, you will see a one condition, but it is not a complete condition. After finding 2 point of contacts, we have to find 2 normals. So this was a question. So hope you have got till now. The questions are a bit long, but not hard. Let's look now some more questions. We have a question number 18. Look at 18th question. For y equal to 4x cube minus 2x5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through origin point. This is a question. It looks a good question, so that I am telling you. Question says, this is a curve, this is a curve, this is a tangent, this is a tangent, and this is point of contact. Y equal to this one, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin point. We have to find all the points like xy at which the tangent passes from the origin point, like that. Very good question. The scenario already we have made here. We have to find this kind of point at which the tangent, meaning we have to find the point of contact, at which the tangent passes from the origin point. So now, we just have to find x and y, and only one thing is given, that tangent passes from origin point. So student, what we'll use here, let me explain something, that we have a 2 point by which the tangent is passing. xy is one assumption point, and 0 0, which is origin point, which is given. So students, by these 2 points we can find its slope. Whenever the line passes through 2 points, we can find its slope by using m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, 2 point form. So here also we can use the slope of this tangent, and also we can find the slope of tangent by differentiation. So we will use both kind of slopes condition. We will actually make them equal, and by equality we can find the point x and y. Okay, I am speaking again. First we take y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x5. I'll do differentiation. 12x square minus 10x4 at pxy. The slope of tangent will be m equal to 12x square and 10x4. Now here, now we can compare to my m is what? Also, since tangent is passing, tangent passes through the point. What 2 point looking? Pxy and O origin. So what is the slope of tangent? Slope of the tangent will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, meaning y upon x. This is the slope of the tangent, and this is also slope of tangent. Can you compare? Can you compare? So this is slope of tangent. Therefore, 12x square minus 10x4. This is slope of tangent, and this is also slope of tangent. Both can compare. Both can compare. And now I'll multiply 2x here. 12x cube minus 10x5 equal to y. And I just want to take y is equal to this one because I want to find the value of x and y. So I want to compare. Since y is equal to, we have a 4x cube minus 2x5. So can I compare? So these two will compare, and I'll try to find the value of x and y this way. So do transfer. This gonna be, both will be, so I do transfer here, and this is here. 12 minus 4, 8x cube is equal to this minus this will be 8x5. 8 and 8 cancel. Don't try to cancel 3 and 5. To power never cancel, but it will have a option actually. What kind of option? x5 minus x3 is equal to 0. X cube have a common. X square minus 1 will be 0. So x cube, either x cube will be 0 or x square minus 1 will be 0. X is equal to 0 will come here from here, and x square equal to 1 here from here, and x equal to plus and minus. We have a 3 option we are going to get. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to minus 1. So for all these x respective y we will find out, and only points we have to find. Points only we have to find. So we are very near to the answer. So what we will do now? I just want to rub it all, because we have got when x equal to 0. Can I find the value of y? By this. Y will be 4x cube minus 2x5. Put x equal to 0. You will get y equal to 0. So first point of contact by which the tangent was passing and satisfying all these conditions is a double 0. And when x equal to 1 will be chosen, y will be 4, 1 cube minus 2, 1, 5 will be 2. So second point of contact will be, can I say q? Or don't put any name, it is a 1 and 2. And do the last one please by yourself. When x equal to minus 1, put here and get your answer. So 3 points you would have which satisfy this particular condition. So hope you have got here. Nothing hard it is, but interesting also. Now let's look the question from the book, which is 17th one. Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube at which slope of tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. This is simple question. It's strange, but it is easy question. Look at, I tell you how to do this question. This is my curve y equal to f of x. This is a tangent. Pxy is a point of contact. And question says find the points. Again same question, points on the curve at which slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. Slope of this tangent equal to y coordinate, meaning y. It's very simple. I tell you again, by taking just put a curve equation. Find dy by dx will be 3x square. At pxy, the slope of the tangent will be m equal to 3x square. So what question says, find the point on the curve at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. So according to question, slope of tangent equal to y coordinate. The slope you got m, we could, whatever it is equal to, but it is equal to y. I am not saying it is actually according to question. That slope of tangent which we got m, which is equal to y coordinate, and y coordinate is y. Now can you compare to this and this equation? This is first and this is second. So by 1 and 2 you can compare now. What you get? X cube equal to 3x square. And do transfer here. X cube minus 3x square equal to 0. Take out x square common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have two options, student. First and second. So you will get x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. So definitely what to do? In last question we did. When x equal to 0, y equal to also 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So first point is double 0. When x equal to 3, y equal to 8. So we have a point of contact 3 and 8. This is the answer. So it's in very short I have written, but you just have to explain a little bit that when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, first point of contact will be double 0, and same as this one, the second point of contact will be 3 and 8. So this is the solution. Now we just want to discuss one more question. Very similar question, 25th question, do by your own. The 23rd question is you have to discuss with you, but the time is not permitting me because it's gonna be a little long question. So I'll tell you this tomorrow, and I'll start the approximation concept. The portion of approximation is not in your syllabus, so we'll drop this, and further we'll study the maximum and minimum. Thank you.